This is the first video of two to help you use Google Hangouts to conduct an online meeting. The first step in conducting an online meeting is creating the meeting request. We're going to use Google Calendar to create that meeting request. In order to do that, you need to be logged into your Google account or one of your Google accounts. You also need the emails, addresses of the people that are going to be in that meeting. So once you're logged onto your Google account, go on to Google Apps by clicking here and then going down to your Calendar app. Click on your Calendar app. It'll bring up your calendar. For the purposes of this demo, I'm actually going to make a meeting that we're going to use today for this class, or for my Management 1600 class. And it's not going to be, so I put that in my title, that's my title area. It's not going to be all day, it's going to start at 11 and end a little bit before 1. So I'm going to block out that time. I'm going to put in a location because I will actually be on campus in the TP building. I'm not quite sure, but in the e-learning area. So there's a couple offices or conference areas in there, and I'll be in one of those. I'll also be on Google Hangouts. One of my colleagues won't be able to make it in person, and that's one of the reasons why we're going to do this meeting. Now I can invite my colleagues, and again, you'll need their email addresses, so put it in those. I don't want to type these out because, as you can hear when I type, it's really loud and that can be distracting, so I'm just copying and pasting these in. So those are the people I need in this meeting. Now I need an agenda. And that's an important part for every meeting that you have, an agenda. An agenda helps me organize the meeting. It helps me organize timing. It also informs everyone who's been invited to the meeting what we'll be covering. And they might decide that, oh, if we're going to cover that, we need to invite some other people. In order not to kill your ears, I'm going to copy and paste most of this agenda in. And as you can see, I have 5 items. I have an approximate timetable for each item and who will be leading the discussion as we go over that item. And that is an easy way of organizing a meeting. When you send the meeting request, you can also say, let me know if I need to add anything else. And people can respond to send you an email and say, hey, change this, take this off, add this, and so forth. So once I have my agenda, my guests added, my time frame, I can also change my notifications. This sends out like a reminder to everyone at the meeting that, hey, we're going to have a meeting, and I'm going to say, remind them 15 minutes before the meeting. And once I see that everything is done, I'm just going to say save. And then it said, would you like to send this invitation to the guests? And I would. Now if I go, oh, I need to change something, I can just click back into the meeting, go into my edit mode, add guests, change time, add or take away from the agenda, and then save again. Pretty simple.